What up, what up, what up? It's your boy, it's your motherfucking boy. V9 Grows 420 back with another video. This is the video on the par reading test that I'm going to do for the Cali Gro 800 watt bar light. Sorry you guys, I didn't do the unboxing for it. I usually do the unboxing on something brand new, but I had some family things going on. My uncle passed away, and I had to go to St. Louis and really do some things and put them in the ground and deal with some family issues. So I apologize for all of y'all patience. Thank you so much. But I am going to indeed give y'all the par reading test on this light that I've been wanting to do for some time. So this is the Cali Gro LED 800 watt bar light, as you all can see. Really dope light. Covers a 5x5 perfectly. The test will be done on the Apogee MQ620 that I did on the last HLG test, and the Cali Gro equivalent to the HLG light test as well. But this is the Cali Gro LED light that I'm going to show you guys, and I'm going to show you guys the other side of it real quick so let you guys see all the little bells and whistles that are on this light. For now, as you can see, it doesn't look really much any different than the original Cali Gro, except for this right here. You get the actual percent readings on the dial for when you set your percentages. Power on and off switch, red on and off switch, ultraviolet, infrared, all still built into it. Just daisy chains. It's very easy to build, not very hard at all. This is actually the first edition. This is the only one in existence at this particular point right now. I am the only one who has it because we're just testing it out to get some readings on it, you guys. So this is what we're going to be doing, getting readings. So the test I usually do first is the actual middle matern. This is the Apogee MX. Sorry, not MX, but the MQ620. I'm going to turn that off. I'm sure you guys can see those numbers right there. So I'm going to put it in the middle. This is not the middle right here, but I'm going to put it in the middle and see if I can get you guys the readings real quick. So this is smack dab in the middle at 16 inches above the canopy. Hold on one second. Make sure I get a better one. Because I'm going to do this test in two spots. 12 inches above the canopy and 16 inches. That's the lowest recommended height for flower and the highest recommended height for flower. So 16 inches smack in the middle.
You're in the middle right now?
Smack in the middle.
Alright, we are reading between 1237, 1240, 1237. It looks like, gang. 1240.
I'm going to go with 1240.
Okay.
1240 smack in the middle at 16 inches above the canopy. Now I'm going to go in the middle of one of these squares. I'm going to go to the middle down here and see what the reading looks like now.
I'm gonna rise till I make it on top. Refueling my ammunition to get to my spot. And I'm gonna grind until the day my life stops. Explode on the scene just to prove what I got. Cause I'm like a time bomb. I'm destined to blow any day, so watch out. Cause I'm like a time bomb. Cause I'm like a time bomb. Yeah. I'm gonna rise till I make it on top. Refueling my ammunition to get to my spot. And I'm gonna grind until the day my life stops. Explode on the scene just to prove what I got. Cause I'm like a time bomb. I'm destined to blow any day, so watch out. Cause I'm like a time bomb.
Inches above the canopy.
Alright.
That's not even lower. That's at the highest. That's at the highest. So those readings, you guys, are at the highest point. The highest point of flower. Right here with the Apogee light tester. The highest points.
Yeah, those were the points.
These are the readings. These are the tests right here at the highest point in flower. So now we're going to do the lowest point that you can put it above the canopy in flower and do those tests now. So we're gonna get back to you guys. We're gonna pause this video. I'm gonna get back to you guys when the light has been lowered to 12 inches above the canopy. We'll be back with that in just a second. Sorry, you guys, I missed a couple of tests on that very first one. I am so sorry. We gotta do a few more tests. I was going way too quick. Sorry about that, you guys. We're gonna go ahead and get these two up here in the middle. I forgot a couple of them up here,
Yeah,
smack in the middle.
All right, so you got it in the center.
In the middle of boxes.
Yeah. So it looks like 930 look like our highest in the middle up there.
All right, so that's smack in the middle, top left, and this is smack in the middle, top right.
947.
Okay, cool. And now let's get these bottoms. We didn't get the bottoms down here at all.
Yeah, there we go. So these far deep corners on the edge here.
Yeah.
Okay.
So this is the far bottom right corner.
372 look like our highest. 375.
Okay, 372 or 375. This is middle, bottom right, second, and from the bottom right.
Right here.
Yep.
542.
Okay. Now this is bottom, middle, smack in the middle. This is Moni in the middle where she at.
Right there. All right. 567. It's holding steady there for a while.
Bottom left, mid.
530. 539.
539, okay. Now this is the bottom right, bottom left middle.
Okay. 346. 347.
Okay. So those corners seem to hit 3 a lot, but it seems like once you leave that corner, it jumps up to 500, which ain't bad for 16 inches above the canopy. Not bad at all. So we're gonna go ahead and stop it there and officially drop it down to 12 inches and then come back to you guys. We'll see you guys on the next one. All right, you guys, we are back. So we went on ahead and lowered the light down to 12 inches above the canopy. This is the lowest setting for Cali Gro's recommended height for this light, 12 inches above the canopy. We're gonna go ahead and run these tests. I always do the test in the middle first, as you guys always know. So I'm gonna go ahead and run this test smack in the middle. What are we looking at?
355, 56, 355, 360, 360, 1360, sorry, 1360. I was the glare.
So let's go 1360 then.
1360, yeah.
If it went that high, that means you can stay that high.
Okay. Right. All right.
So from there, we're gonna go to the left of that, smack in the middle. Let's just move this out the way. Let's get this to the left of that.
I'm destined to blow any day, so watch out, 'cause I'm like a time bomb. 'Cause I'm like a time bomb. Gonna rise till I make it on top. Refueling my ammunition to get to my spot. And I'm gonna grind until the day my life stops. Explode on the scene just to prove what I got. 'Cause I'm like a time bomb. I'm destined to blow any day, so watch out. 'Cause I'm like a time bomb. 'Cause I'm like a time bomb. refueling my ammunition to get to my spot. And I'm gonna grind until the day my life stops. Explode on the scene just to prove what I got. Cause I'm like a time bomb. I'm destined to blow any day, so watch out.
So those uppers, outers suck a little bit. But still very good numbers though.
Alright.
But we do got all the fans and stuff back there, so the light is shifted in the tent if you think about it.
Yeah, it's a little bit shifted, you guys, so it's not really the best alignment, but for the readings that we got, that's still not bad. So we're gonna take I'm gonna take these numbers right here, you guys, as you can see. I'm gonna take these numbers and take the wattage that I'm running, because I'm running this at 100%. As a matter of fact, I can go ahead and just tell you what the wattage is on this. I can find my kilowatt meter. I don't know where it is. You know what? Forget it. I'll do that another time. But anyway, so it pulls about 825 watts from the wall when I have every light switch on. That's every light switch, 820 watts. So that's what I'm running in at right now, 820, which is why I did it the way I did it, because I want to make sure I ran it 100%. So, oh, wait a minute. I just realized something.
We have to do this all over again.
No. One of my tests that I just ran was wrong. The light, when I move this thing, when I move this fan, it basically took the light down and knocked it down. Only when I move this fan. So the test up in the top right corner may very well be wrong. That 288, only these upper tests are wrong. Only these upper ones may be wrong. But even being wrong, I don't give a shit. I'm gonna run it just like that. I'm gonna run it just like that. Even with it, because my fan hit the knob and it turned it down. I'm like, that's a little weird. I turn it back up, and once again, here's how I can tell. Easy way I can tell the light, the numbers are wrong.
Alright, put it back there, let's see.
Put it in the middle.
Oh.
What's the middle light test show?
1360.
See? So it only got wrong when I moved that fan. Because the numbers are exactly the same. The numbers really aren't different. It's 1360. So yeah. So only when I move the top numbers could be off by a couple, about 100 or so. I'm not really worried about that. But I'm going to go ahead and end the stream there, or end the video here, you guys, and let you guys know I'm going to put all these numbers together and make sure I give you guys the readings and give you guys the actual par reading on here, the average, based on the numbers that I got, and divide it by the watts that is pulled from the wall, give you all the grams per watt, all that stuff. I'm trying to break this down for you guys as much as possible. It's your boy V9 Grows 420. I will see y'all on the next one. Peace!